Hello there and welcome back to Thirdstone. So just a little update. As you can see, I've been busy adding track and formwork, going all round. There will be something in front of the window and goes round, and that will, the big baseboard there, that will loop round, so I'll have one big loop going all the way around those three walls, coming back to this end of the loop, and the turntable and the engine shed. New addition of rolling stock is the Romancecar, the Odakyu 10,000 series Romancecar from Tomix, which is fantastic value for 150 quid. You get all of that, 11 coaches, and it's a sweet little runner. So can't wait to get that running around the entire loop. That looks pretty special. We've also got track laid up to the corner. Oh, bit of a derailment. It goes up to about there. I'm bringing in another line from an elevated section, so there's going to be a hill in the corner with a coal mine on top, so the mine wagons will be able to come down an incline and then go back again on the main line up into the shunting yard. So yeah, lots of work still to do. Still need to get those switches onto that mimic panel, but that mimic panel needs to be much bigger. And I'm reading a lot about DCC-EX CSB1, and potentially we might turn this into a DCC layout. Not entirely sure as yet, but anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video. Bye now.